This video contains raw surveillance footage used in the research from my book, Chained Birds: A Crimemoir, which investigates the American prison system and its failure to contain violence. Viewer discretion is strongly advised. The footage itself is presented completely silent and unaltered, without any music, voiceover commentary, or sensationalizing edits. It serves as evidence, not entertainment. Context. This is the recreation cage hit set up by the Aryan Brotherhood in collusion with corrections officers, which sparked Kevin's assault charges. His public defender was my high school friend Scott, who pulled me into the case. Our defense was based on Kevin's justified actions and that he only appeared to stab Oki. Kevin had no knife, so that arson would not turn his shank on Kevin, because Aryan Brotherhood hit orders must be obeyed.